Good morning 12th students. Good morning 12th science students. Today we are going to start chemistry part 2, that is organic chemistry. I am starting with the unit 12, that is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acids. Okay. I hope earlier I taught you electrochemistry and then solution chapter number 1, 2, 3 you are doing well, and please prepare. I am seeing that so many less views are there, so if you are interested or not, if you are not interested, then I will not teach. Okay. Today I am teaching, that is in your first term course, that is part 2, lesson number 12, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Okay. Now in organic chemistry in 11th you are knowing what is the structure of benzene, how they are going to react widely we are knowing. Okay. So in this chapter, aldehyde means functional group is CHO, ketone means CO and carboxylic acid COS. So mainly organic compounds containing CO double bond, that is this called carbonyl group. Okay. Second, organic compounds, carbonyl compound we are going to study. Now in aldehydes, CO carbonyl group is bonded to a carbon and hydrogen CH. Okay, this group is attached to the CH. Now in ketones, CO, it is bonded to CC, two carbon atoms. In COH, carbonyl compound in which C or CO is bonded to CH or oxygen of OH or COH. While in compounds, when carbon is attached to C or H and nitrogen of NH2 are called amides and are with halo or with halo halogens are called acyl halides. Okay. So this is the basic of this chapter. Esters and anhydrides are derivatives of COH. The general formula for this, see, now you know the structure I am teaching you. This one is aldehyde. R means any alkyl group and then attached is CHO. See, learn. R CHO, CH3 CHO. Okay. Naming we will learn afterwards, but only if CHO is attached to any R group, that is called the aldehyde group. That is called aldehyde first. Second, if for the ketone, see, this one is carbonyl and two side any alkyl group is attached, then that is called the ketone group. Third, if one side like this only R and COOH is attached, then that is called the carboxylic acid group. Now in carboxylic acid group, now in carbonyl group, one side alkyl and one side halo, they are called aryl halide. Acyl halide. And if C double bond O and R and NH2, that is called amide. So basically, first one is aldehyde, second one is ketone, third one is acidic, third one is carboxylic acid. And the derivatives means one R is going to replace one COOH, H is replaced by acyl halo group, so acyl halide, and one R is replaced by NH2 group, then that is amide group. Earlier I taught you in this paragraph. Okay. Up to this page I taught you. Now we are going ahead, naming. See, again, more aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid I taught you, acyl halide and amide. Now next one is ester, COOH, COOR. So COOH, H is replaced by R group and normal R. So this group is called the ester group. Okay. Now if the in ketone, C double bond O, C double bond O, R and R, R and R, these are jointly combined with oxygen and cancelling R, so they are called acid anhydride. Okay, acid anhydride. So these all were the basics structures. Now we are going to that aryl. There are two types. You are knowing, no? Alkyl means any R. Methyl, ethyl, propyl is aryl. Aryl means having benzene structure. Benzene means just like this. Okay, benzene. So this here, if I am touching CHO, then that is called the benzaldehyde. This one is called benzaldehyde. If I am writing like that, benzaldehyde and moreover OH group, then that is called the salicylic acid. And if this group is like that, then that is one is called cinnamonaldehyde group. So like that, so many groups we will learn one by one. Okay, now I am teaching you to give nomenclature and structure of carbonyl group. Nomenclature we are going to start. How we have to give naming. Aldehydes and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones are the simplest and most important carbonyl compounds. There are two systems of nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. First one is common names. Second one is IUPAC name. Common names means you are also calling by one common name, no? Chintu, Bintu, Bubbly, Pupply, like that they are also having the common names. And IUPAC means according to your Chhatti's name. I am joking, just to resemble the, making you laugh. So this one is the common name and here is the IUPAC name. So in common name what we are doing? A cup acid with aldehyde. Latin or Greek item for the original source of the acid or aldehyde. Then location of substitution in carbon chain by alpha, beta and gamma in the common names. How we have to give the common name? See, this one is called the two carbons, 1 and 2. So this one is called, see, earlier I taught you, no, R, any group, methyl if I am taking CH3 and CHO. So here are two carbon. So one carbon means methane, methyl and aceta. Okay, so this one is called the acetaldehyde. Common name is acetaldehyde. Now next is benzaldehyde, common name. And this one is, see, first of all, you have to count the name, number 1, 2, 3 and aldehydes 4. Okay, so the group aldehydes attached to the first carbon, that is naming to alpha, then beta and gamma. Means number 1, number 2 and number 3. See, on alpha position aldehydes. So common we will say carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Means we will say butaaldehyde. And the second chain bromo group is on the beta position. So we will call beta bromo. So beta bromo and butaaldehyde. Now this one is called, this one was of aldehyde naming, common name. Now I am giving common name for ketone group. Ketone means, see, CO group and attached by 2R. Here I showed you. So if I am attaching C double bond O, 2R by 2 methyl groups. So how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 means this one is called the two namings, two groups. So this one is known, means this one, and this 2 is called the acetone. Now this on the aryl, it is called the acetophenone. This one is the propylphenone and this one is called the benzophenone. Though benzophenone, this one. Okay, this one is called the phenone. See, this one is called the phenone, ketone group. And the ring is attached to the benzene, to benzene. Instead of this 2, see here 2 RR group, here 2 benzenes group. So benzophenone and this one is called the acetone. Now we are comparing our namings with IUPAC name, that commonly we are using IUPAC name. Alkane by replacing the end E with Al. If aldehyde group, then you have to replace C. Two namings. I am telling about propane. So E is replaced by Al, means propanol. aldehyde by ketone. This one is aldehyde and for ketone on. So E is replaced by Al, E is replaced by 1. So propanone. So this one is propanol and this is propanone. In this way, you in aldehyde longest carbon chain in number in ketones numbering begins from the end nearer to the carbonyl group. That is the difference. So in IUPAC names in cyclic ketones, carbonyl carbon number 1, aldehyde CHO group attached with the ring, the suffix carbaldehyde means it is called the cycloalkane, is added after the full name of cycloalkane. See here I am naming, IUPAC naming. C CH4 CHO. Okay, 1 carbon, 2 carbon. So 2 methane, ethane. E is going to cut and that is called ethanol. Okay, so this one is ethanol. Now like that you can choose the count the number. This one is aldehyde group. Count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this one is 6 means we are counting, see 1 and 2. We are counting this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So heptane E is turned by heptanol. Okay, heptanol, and you have to see the groups. You have to give namings from here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So on 3 bromo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bromo, 3 methyl, substitute groups. So in this way you have to start the naming from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bromo, 3 methyl. Here you count cyclo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cyclopentane. So it is called ketone group is there. So it is pentanone. It is called pentanone. And on the position 1, 2, 3, you can say from here 1, 2, 3. So 3 methyl pentanone. Next is cyclohexane aldehyde. See cyclohexane. Instead of that you can see this one is benzene structure. But if I am drawing like this, then benzene. If I am saying this like, so this is cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. But if I am putting the group CHO, then E, it is called the cyclohexane carbaldehyde. This one is, again you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 means pentane. E is going to cut, so aldehyde group is there, so pentanol. So this is pentanol. Again the double bond is on 1 and 2. So you can say 2 pentanol. So you can say like that. 2 pentanol or penti in between 2 Al. Okay. Now this one is benzene structure. On this ketone group, CH2, CH3 means 1 and 2. So this one is called the phenyl, 1 phenyl, and the long chain 1, 2, 3. This is called the propanol. In this way you can give the names. Again you can see more names. This one is, see, this one is benzaldehyde, and you count the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nitro. 4 nitrobenzaldehyde. This one is the common name. In this way you give more names. I am teaching you, showing you this table also. Aldehyde means 1 number only. Okay, those 1 number is called the pharma, common name. But 1 number is called the methanol. Second name is called aceta. So 2 carbons means acetaldehyde, but that is we will methane, ethane. So from methane and ethane you can see the ethanol. Like that you have to practice it. 1, 2, 3, iso. Third number is iso. But in this we will say propanol. 3 namings, 1, 2. Third one is CH3. So from propane you cut and give propanol. Like that. So these are the names in the list. You have to practice this. Okay, students.